Did you lose a token after swap on metamask and you did not know where it is or where to find it? Now this is exactly what to do. Alright, subscribe, like this video and share.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos, keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuffs like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video. Alright, this is what you need to do. This is my metamask right here, and I'm using as an instance. Maybe your own case of loss is different from this I've made video on. Do well to send me an email or send me an Instagram DM. I'll attend to you as quick as possible. So like and subscribe if you're able to recover your token, and then you want to send me some donation, you want to support my channel, I'll be very much grateful. Please use the smart chain address or the Ethereum address below. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.